Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to view deleted text messages on Android. To do that, first let's go to messages. Let's open this message. And at the end, as you can see, we have static 916 hash in the message. Let's delete this message. The message was deleted. Let's delete this one as well. Now to view that message, go to settings, scroll down, notifications, advanced settings, notification history, scroll down, expand messages. And this was the message that we deleted. As you can see, we have got static 916 hash and the message. This was the exact message that was deleted. So this is how you can view messages that you delete from your mobile. But in order to do that, this notification history must be turned on. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.